Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. On this episode I want to show you how I make my one pan baked chicken and potatoes, which I think it is an amazing weekdays dinner and also a cheap dinner. Chicken leg is so cheap, some potatoes which is also cheap, and some spices that is probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Let's go through the ingredients and we're gonna get started. We're gonna need some fresh potatoes, which is we're gonna need some potatoes wash, and I scrub the skin. I'm gonna leave the skin on. A little bit salt and pepper. I have my chicken leg, some honey. For the spices is paprika powder, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and that's it. So this is what I call my one pan baked chicken and potatoes. Everything goes in, put it in the oven, go do whatever you have to do in the house. By the time you're ready, your dinner is ready as well. You want to put on the side some rice, just put the rice in the rice cooker and that's it, you have dinner. So to my chicken right here, I'm gonna drop all the spices. My honey, okay, honey, not me. And I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any cooking oils that you prefer. Just a drizzle, not too much. And I'm just gonna leave this on the side for now. And then for the potatoes, I'm gonna start cutting the potatoes. So it happened for me to choose all the same sizes. So I'm gonna cut them into 4 pieces, 4 cubes like this. If you see a small one, you can just cut it in 2, or you can just leave it as is. Just gonna keep going for the potatoes and then we're gonna move on. Salt and pepper, sunflower oil, now at this point you can use a kitchen gloves, but I'm just gonna use my hand and give this a good mix, the potatoes. Okay, good enough. And then I'm gonna come back to my chicken and then I'm gonna give this a good mix. Now I am using a store-bought tray, so after baking the chicken, and I can throw away the baking sheet. You can use a glass tray or any baking tray that you have on hand. So give this a good mix. Make sure that every pieces of the chicken have those spices. This is what's gonna give it the chicken a nice crispy skin. Now the chicken has been massaging properly and every pieces has the spices. And for the thigh side, I make sure that the skin side is down, and then in between the baking I will remove the pan and then flip them over. And the potato is gonna go in between. We're just gonna squeeze the potato in. Room, no room, everything is going in, because this is what we call one pan baked chicken and potatoes. So try to set the potatoes anywhere you see room, or squeeze the chicken. And as the chicken gonna bake, it's gonna reduce the size as well. It's gonna shrink, if I want to use that word, but other than that we are good to go. So this is done, and my baked chicken and my chicken and potatoes mixture gonna go in my oven, my preheated oven of 450 for an hour. In between I'm gonna remove the pan and then I'm gonna flip the chicken over one time and then put it back again to bake. until I reach an hour. If in 1 hour the chicken didn't get those golden brown crusty skin, then I'm gonna leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like. My chicken and potatoes was in the oven for an hour and 20 minutes, and they're nice and golden brown in color and texture. So the potatoes, you can see, had some golden brown skin as well, and this is not burnt actually, this is the spices that was on the top, and the honey. Normally when you add honey on like chicken, if you're baking, roasting or grilling, it gives the honey gives the meat or the chicken like a good kind of texture and tasty, and it is like absolutely delicious. So it is really hot right now. It just came out from the oven, and I'm just gonna give it a try later when it gets cooler a bit. Hope you're gonna give this video a try. Click the link down below for the full written recipe. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. Bye.